Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to use Trivago's specific search filters for your preferences. So first open the app and make sure you put in your destination so only hotels in your area will show up. Then once it's loaded, tap on filters. And let's say I wanted the max price to be 400. I can edit that right here by putting in 400. And you can choose the star hotels that you want to come up. You can also select the property type. So if I only want hotels to show up, I can tap on his. Then tap on show results. And you filtered out all the other stuff that you didn't want to show up. So if this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing to support the channel.